Okay, so we have a basic DeWalt 303M reciprocating saw with a brand new Milwaukee Sawzall blade. And I've taped off the outside of this guy so that all the splatter doesn't actually go everywhere. So let's go get the turkey and get started. Okay, so here's our bird. It's a 35 pounder we got from our friend Judy. It's been in the freezer since we got it home in early November. And it's, I have to get a knife out. Cut the twist ties off. Oh, there it is. Okay, so the trick is to try and cut this guy in half. And we'll see if we can do that. You know, I think.
Really?
Yeah, I want to push this a little closer to the edge here. Oh, you're going to get up there?
Yeah, I was going to hold it.
Oh, well, okay.
But I need that moved. Why did you want it? Oh, well.
Because the extension cord doesn't go all the way.
Oh, okay. And here, let me move one of these over here. We can set them down easily. So it gets cold. Okay.
Okay, maybe I should turn this around so you can hang on to the drumsticks there.
Okay.
And I don't know where we're going to start, but here we go.
Yeah, that's not quite centered.
Yeah, I know. That's right.
There we go.
All right. Not sure I like doing it that way.
Okay.
Okay, now let's get the other side.
Yeah. Maddie, it's all make noise.
It's all right.
It's all make noise.
It's tea.
Yeah, hot water's ready. Are we back on?
Mm-hmm.
Hello, world. This one's going to be a little more difficult.
Yep, true that.
Okay. You need to, you're not halfway yet, so I don't know if you want to try how you want to go after that.
It's slightly off center. Yeah.
Well, no, but I mean about here is halfway, right?
Right.
So I don't know if you want to approach this from that direction or you want to
I
turn
want
around.
to pull it towards me. So turn it around.
Okay, I get it.
Let's see if I can.
You want to possibly put it down lower?
Yeah.
I mean the bird itself. You want to put it on the floor? So like this is the dog equivalent of that little beaded ice cream that they sell at the baseball games, right?
Yeah, I think so.
Because Libby's delighted. Woohoo! Happy now.
There we go.
Would you like to see the inside part of a turkey?
There you go.
We have it.
Yay!
And he even cut through the best part right there.
There you go. We're good.
If you don't know, that's the best part.
That's the best.